Hi guys, this is Abhi. This is my first tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the bell button and subscribe. Now, I'm gonna teach you today how to make a login page in ASP.NET. So today we'll just make the simple one login page in web form. So first of all, we'll create the web form application. So new project, and in the web, select the ASP.NET web application .NET framework. Give the name as like first login page or whatever you want to give. Hit the OK. Now select the empty, and here don't forget to check out the web forms checkbox and say OK. Yeah, so we just created the new project. Now we want to add the empty web form, so right click on the project name and go into add. It will open the templates. So from these templates you can just select the web forms, or you can go into the new item, and here are the options. Just select the web form and give it a name, login page or whatever you want to give, and it will add into your project. Here we go. So basically this is like a HTML page. So here we have three options: design, split, source. Split is just for it will split a design and source, and the design is whatever we do coding here, it will show in this here in design. Just design play. Right now we will just use split, so we can use what's the difference. So right now we want to make the login page. So here the interesting thing is we can just write whatever you want to write here. We don't have to take a label for it. So just you write the username space, and the thing is here, see here, whatever you write here, it will be created the code by itself. Now we want here text box. Here's the toolbox. You can just select any tool you want. Right now we need text box, so here we go, text box. And as soon as we put the text box, the code for text box will be generated by itself. So so now we have here ASP text box. Now we'll see the difference between the HTML code and the ASP code. In the ASP you have to specify the ASP and gem and the text box, the name of the toolbox. Here what is Runit server? So this web application, where whatever we make the application, we have to run in here Google Chrome. If we hit the Google Chrome, and then this code will be executed in the Google Chrome. So it will go through the server, the run go through the server, and then it will be executed on the web browser. So we'll show later. So right now we need more for password, and one more text box for password. We need one login button. So when we hit the login button, it will show we are logged in or not. So right now I'm just making the simple login page, so I don't want to make very complicated, so just one page. I'll put here label that will help us know either we are logged in or not. Here in button, give here login name. Now in the first, the ID is text box 1, it's just auto generated. This is first one we created, this is text box 2. But if you want to make it easy, then you can just write the 3 letters small, that from that we'll know this is text box, and why will text box. This is just a simple application, so we just have 2 text box, but later on we will have like 10 or 20 text boxes. We'll use more text boxes, then we'll know why we use this text box. So txt, this is for username, so user name, so we'll know this is text, we'll know this is text box, and we are using for username. So this is easy to get it, so just get used to it. And this is txt password, same as in the button, like you are doing button, so just use the, okay, I just double clicked it, don't worry about it now. Here button login, this is label. For the label we'll do the same, cause for label we can just write lbl, and this is just a message, it will show you are successfully logged in or not. Now we just basically created the simple login page, and if we want to see how's the design, how will it show in the browser, then we can just run the Google browser. So it's just showing your application is starting. Yeah, see, it shows the same as we did here, the username password login label, and in the browser it's username password login label. Now what we are gonna do is, when we hit the login button, it will execute the code where we write here for the here, it will execute the code, and if it's logged in, then the label will be changed into successful logged in, otherwise it will show the error. So we'll go for easy. We in the design, just double click the login page, it will take you to the code, it will generate by itself, and here it created the button event, click event by itself. So what we want is, when we have to create the database for it, because it will check from the database that we have username and password and label. But in my next video I'll show with the database. Right now we'll just do the simple one. So here I'll just write if before add, I have to store the value for the username and password. So for example, the string username is equal to txt. See, it's very easy to choose whatever you want to choose. Right now we need username. Just select the username.text, and then for the password we'll do the same. Now whatever we will write here in username and password, it will come to the here and store in the username and password. So right now we want to just create the simple login form. So we will just write if username is equal to admin, or you can just keep whatever you want to write. Always remember, if you do the just one equal, it will say it's compare as a boolean. See, you cannot convert string as a boolean, so always do the double equals when you compare as a string. And cause if the username and password will be same, it will show the successful message. So username is equal to admin and password is equal to, you can keep any password, I'll keep just the same one so it's easy to recognize. Here you can't use and here, cause if you in query, if you write the database MySQL query, you can write and or. Right here you can just write the and, the symbol. Now whatever code will write, it will be between here. So if we write here admin and password admin and we hit the login, it will check here. If the username is equal to admin and password is equal to admin, then the code will be executed, whatever we will write here. Otherwise, else we can just set the error message over here. Just write the like username or password is incorrect, please try again. So it will just check here the simple if statement. If username, the user write admin and password is equal to admin, then it will be executed here. So what we want, so right now we just want label message dot text. Here we will just write successfully logged in. That's it. So this is very easy for now, cause this is my first tutorial video and I don't wanna make it long. So let's try. In the next video I'll show you how to add the database and how to check the data from the database, and we can log in from the information of database. That's easy too. So right now we'll just focus in it. Yeah, here we go. Now for the password, I didn't change the type. I'll show you how to change the type of password in property, so it will show the same as the text over here and over here. So see, logged in, it will show the you are successfully logged in. Now if you write anything and it will show username or password is incorrect, please try again. So it's very easy, but if you want to add the more pages, like you hit the login, it will go into the other page, you have to use session cookies. So it's easy too. I'll show in my next videos. So how to change the password type. Here the text box, we will just in the HTML we use the type is equal to text, then it will show the text box and we'll write the text, and in password we do the type is equal to password, so it will show just dot 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 whatever we write password, the user can't see it. Here we use the text mode is equal to password. Now we can check it's working or not, because we don't want anyone to see our password. It will take some time. Here we go. You write admin here. Now you, if you write admin, no one will see it. Login, successful logged in. See, it will. So it's very easy video. We'll just write like 4-line codes. That's it. It's not hard. But in the next video, what I will show you is we'll put database here. We can put here database, and in the database if there is a data from the database, will whatever we write here in the username and password, it will check from the database in created the table, then it will be logged in, otherwise it will show the error message. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, or if you have any questions you can just put in the comment, and I'll reply you soon. Thank you. Bye.